Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off comments on Instagram post. If you're using Instagram and you want to turn off comments from your Instagram post, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Now, if you want to turn off comments for any old post, so go to your profile page here and just select the post from you want to turn off comments. Let's say I'm going to select this one. Just tap on three dots in the top right, and here you'll get the option of turn off commenting. You must have to select that option. So after that, your comments will be turned off. So you can see that comments are off. No one can comment on your post. Or if you're trying to create a new post and you want to turn off comment for your new post, go back from here and try to create a new post. Let's say I'm going to select create post here. Select any photo. Then tap on next. Tap on next option again. Now on this page, just scroll down, look for more option, and here you'll get the option of turn off commenting. You must have to enable that option. Once you have enabled, just go back, tap on share option, tap on share post. So once you have shared your post, so after sharing the post with disabling or enabling the turn off comments, your comments will be off for this specific post. So in this way, you can easily turn off comments for a new post or an older post on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.